Video is an incredible tool to use as part of your next training program. I'll talk about 3 key reasons why you should use it, whether it be for online or in-classroom training. Hello, I'm Goldberg of Optimus Performance, bringing you practical tips and ideas on leadership, team development, and employee performance management in the workplace. Video has always been an important tool to use as part of a training program. And the number one reason, I think, is because of the consistency of video. So you could give your message that consistency, so no matter who is learning it, the subject matter, when and where, they're always going to be getting that same consistent message. Whereas if you deliver all your training through a person, that message may not always keep the same consistency, depending on who's delivering it, their style. And so if you have a video training, then that message will keep consistent. The number 2 reason to use video is because it mixes up the media, the delivery of the training of the message. Video brings also that emotional component to it. It's moving. You could use role play on the video. You could do so much with video that you cannot just do with the written word. And demonstration is always key to effective training. And video, especially when it's online, can bring that demonstrative component. And we probably all use, I know I do very often, I use YouTube tutorials to help me quickly solve a problem. And that's a type of training on demand as well. The number 3 reason, and this is a big one as well, is because it affords people to learn at their own pace. So they could pause the video, they could replay it numerous times. Some people need a lot of repetition, some people need less. And so if the video is done well, staying to the point, and people can repeat it over and over if that's what they need. They can learn it at their own pace, combined with what other elements are part of the training, whether it be worksheets or exercises that they need to complete, but that consistent message through the video is always there for them to repeat and review at their own pace. So these are the 3 real benefits of using video that I see: keeping the message consistent across all delivery platforms, adding that mixed media component to whatever training you are delivering, and allowing the user to go at their own pace and repeat often if they need to. I hope this will encourage you to use video always as part of your training programs today. It's so easy to use. You can record high quality videos with your smartphone or tablet. You could edit them right on your smartphone or tablet. They don't need to be sophisticated or complicated, so the technology is there to incorporate it. Check out some related videos. I have a whole playlist on training and development, and I'll put links to that in the description of this video, and you could just click on that link right here. Check out also some forms that I have that will help you plan your next training and development activity. Subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications to get news of new videos. Thank you for listening, and we'll talk again soon.